Katie, can you find me the postal code for John Clinton? Thanks.
Yes, of course. Okay, I will scroll down the list. Oh, it's not sorted. Never mind, I will find it. I can't find it yet. It's taking so long. Hold on. I can use the find tool. John Clinton. Great, I found it and his postal code.
Katie, you're searching for information manually again, aren't you? Don't worry, many Excel users do. Can I show you a faster way?
Katie, I have created an XLOOKUP function here that will search the full list for whatever name you type in here. It will bring back their postcode instantly. Now watch me as I carry out these instructions. I start at the very first cell reference. I will methodically check the contents of all the cells in that lookup range, checking if the cell contains John Clinton. If I find a cell in that range that does, I lock onto that row. Then I move across to the responding value in the return array and return the postal code for John Clinton. That's all I do. You give me a value to find. I will find it and bring back part of its record. As you can see, I am actually quiet, easy to understand and to use. But I am one of the most powerful and useful functions in Excel. If you change the name in cell C5, I will bring back that customer's details instantly. You can add records, delete records, sort records as often as you wish, as I will always bring back the correct data all the time. Quick and fast.
Katie, can you get the customer code for Sean Byrne?
Sean Byrne, that's 89560.
Whoa, Katie, that was quick.
Whether you're looking to improve your own Excel skills or train an entire team, we've built a practical course for real-world Excel users. Our 6-level online program takes learners from beginner to advanced and now includes using Excel with AI, ensuring every skill level is covered. For businesses and universities, we support groups from 3 users to over 1,000. Managers can track progress, monitor results, and see team performance in real time. Course levels include online exams, and learners who achieve 75% receive an automatically generated CPD-certified Excel certificate. Individual and corporate group licenses available. Learn Excel. Work faster.